build a memory game where the user is shown some digits after a timer of few seconds. The number is hidden and the user needs to repeat that number. If correct, increase the difficulty by increasing one digit, else decrease by a digit. Also increase or decrease by 2 seconds as the game is progressing. Show timer. Do not show input box to fill when the timer is running. Start with 7 digits, 10 seconds, and increment or decrement by 2 seconds. I should have also said put everything on index.html. So the good thing about replit is that it will give you a plan. I've created a plan, Flask. No need to use Flask. Put everything in one index.html and JavaScript files. Do we need a backend, Flask, DB, etc.? Transactional link, someone plays and closes it. It even gives things like, okay, should we add a leaderboard, different game modes, blah blah, all of that. So we're not saving for no local storage, nothing. We'll just keep it very simple. And once we approve the plan, it will start showing you the files here. And this is the progress of what it's adding to each thing. It's now doing the index.html. So there are no packages to install because there's no backend. Python, not sure why it needs Python. Acha, so it's just running the shell for us. And now I think it'll open a new web view for us to just check how it is. Yeah, it started with 7 digits. This time left. I actually asked it to, okay, at least this is not editable right now. Now it is editable. Okay, so I actually didn't look at the number. It should come to, yeah, 5 digits, but ideally it should have been 6 digits. We'll correct it. 36918. Now it again went to 7 digits. Increment or decrement by 1 digit only. You are doing it 2 digits on a win or loss. The time increment or decrement should be 2 seconds though. I think it does even a good job with back end, having a user login system and all of that. Ideally, it should be, but my experience with, so this is actually the third or fourth that I am trying. So this memory digits game I actually did before also, which was very simple. I initially started saying it should have user login and all, but it's like just going front and back. The sign up was not working, the login was not working accurately, and all that. Here I tried doing a Chrome plugin, but I wasn't sure how to deploy it. And this text to image gallery, I went very ambitious and I thought I'll do like a diffusers based thing with a gallery, login system, and all that. But then quickly I realized I can't host it on GPUs, and it's only CPUs that are available right now. So they were suggesting I'd rather use uh, some external APIs and things like that. So after all these experiments, this one which kind of worked the most simplistic of all, I'm just recreating it now. I said edited and all that, right? Let's just try to refresh and see if it's working. So now there are 7, 4, 9, 8, 8, 4, 6, 8. It should go to 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I think it's working fine now. 8502979. Yeah, now it went to 10 digits. It was also at 14 seconds. Yeah, I think this is working fine. I think it's time to deploy it. There was some deploy button. Works fine. Help me deploy it. To deploy it, you can use which is free and easy to host to have a account. Previously, it was actually showing me. Okay, this is my Chrome. Oh wow, it's already there, which I think I can share. But your memory game is already hosted. Your game is currently on. Once you're. I think this is the one deploy. So there are multiple options. I'd want to just host it as a static thing because it's purely HTML and JavaScript. So there's also this reserved VM for which would be charged so much, and they provide only CPUs right now. And auto scale, yeah, all those things are there, but I think this is good for us. Memory digits, digit memory dot replit dot app, and I think this will be the public directory, and I don't think all this database stuff is important for us, so we'll just go ahead and deploy it. So it started building it for us, and yeah, this is our app. Yeah, which we were able to build in 10 minutes.